Hello, Maconomists. Welcome back to Maconomy, your go-to channel for leveraging AI to generate an online income. I'm your host, and I'm here to guide you on this exciting journey. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only achievable, but can be done right from the comfort of your home. Best of all, it's completely free and still unsaturated. We're going to explore 4 Fiverr gigs that you can automate using AI tools, including ChatGPT and specific plugins. Now, you might be wondering, can I really make money with this? Let me show you something. See these gigs? They're making a killing on Fiverr, and guess what? They can be automated entirely using AI tools. This isn't just a pipe dream, Maconomists. This is a real, tangible way to generate an income online. And the best part? You can start seeing results in the next 3 to 6 months. We're talking about earning from $3K per week, all the way up to $10K per week by month 6. In this video, we'll be revealing the secrets of automating Fiverr gigs using AI. We'll be covering everything from presentation making to photo editing and content creation, but that's not all. There's a special tool that we'll be unveiling, a tool that's going to revolutionize the way you work on Fiverr. But more on that later. So if you've been on the fence about diving into the world of AI, now's the time to take the plunge. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Stay tuned as we delve into how you can use these tools to make money on Fiverr. Let's get started. Before we dive into how to use Gamma DApp, let's take a moment to understand the potential of presentation gigs on Fiverr. Let's head over to Fiverr and search for presentation. Look at this, Maconomists. There are countless people offering presentation creation services, and just look at the number of sales and positive reviews they have. What's even more exciting is that this entire process can be automated using Gamma DApp. That's right, you can create high-quality presentations using AI, saving you time and allowing you to take on more gigs. Now, let's dive into how you can use Gamma DApp to automate your presentation gigs on Fiverr. Moving on to our first tool, Gamma DApp. This is an AI presentation maker that's going to change the way you create presentations for your Fiverr gigs. Gamma DApp is an innovative tool that uses AI to transform text into a full-fledged presentation. It's as simple as inputting your text and letting the AI do the rest. Let's walk through how you can use Gamma DApp. 1. Sign up. First, you'll need to sign up for Gamma app. It's a straightforward process. Just visit their website and follow the prompts to create a new account. Two, access the AI feature. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option labeled New with AI on the main dashboard. Click on this to access the AI features of Gamma app. 3. Choose Text to Deck. From the drop-down menu, select the Text to Deck option. This feature allows you to convert a piece of text into a full presentation. 4. Insert your text. Now you'll see a text box where you can input the text you want to convert into a presentation. This is where you can use the text generated by ChatGPT or ChatSonic. Don't have access to GPT-4? No problem. With ChatSonic, you can still enjoy the benefits of advanced conversational AI without missing out. ChatSonic is a free version of ChatGPT, plus that not only provides an enhanced chatbot experience, but also grants you direct access to the internet. Click the link in the description below to unleash the power of ChatSonic. Explore its advanced features, enjoy internet access, and experience the future of conversational AI. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Click now. 5. Generate your presentation. After inserting your text, click on the Generate button. Gamma DApp will then use its AI capabilities to convert your text into a structured presentation. Six, review and edit your presentation. Once your presentation is generated, you can review and edit it as necessary. You can change the layout, add or remove slides, and tweak the content to suit your needs. 7. Save and share your presentation. When you're happy with your presentation, you can save it and share it with your Fiverr clients. And there you have it, Meconomists, a high-quality presentation created in minutes, ready to be sold on Fiverr. But remember, while Gamma app is a powerful tool, always review and edit the generated presentation to ensure it meets your client's needs and expectations. Stay tuned as we move on to our next tool. You won't want to miss this. Moving on to our next opportunity, photo editing gigs. This is a massive market on Fiverr, and with the power of AI, you can tap into it like never before. Let's head back to Fiverr and search for photo editing. Look at these results, Meconomists. There are thousands of people offering photo editing services, and they're making a killing. Just look at the number of sales and the prices they're charging. Now, you might be thinking, photo editing sounds complicated. I don't know the first thing about Photoshop. Well, that's where AI comes in. Photoshop has recently integrated AI into their tool, and it's a game changer. With Photoshop AI, you can quickly enhance photos, remove unwanted objects, and more, all with a few simple commands. This can significantly speed up your workflow, allowing you to take on more gigs and make more money. And the best part, it's easier than you think. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into how you can use Photoshop AI to automate your photo editing gigs on Fiverr. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. All right, Meconomists, let's dive into how you can use Photoshop's AI to automate your photo editing gigs. Photoshop's new AI feature called Generative Fill is like having a chatbot inside your Photoshop. You make a selection, type what you want to change, and the AI does it for you. Here's how you can use it. 1. Accessing the AI feature. First, you'll need to download the beta version of Photoshop from Adobe Creative Cloud. Once you have the Photoshop beta installed, you can open the program and start using the Generative Fill AI feature. 2. Using the AI feature. To use the AI feature, you first need to make a selection in your image. You can do this using any of the selection tools in Photoshop. After making a selection, click on the Generative Fill button and type what you want to change. For example, you could type, "Add a subtle mountain range in the background that blends in with the desert colors." After typing your command, hit the Generate button and the AI will make the changes. 3. Reviewing and editing the changes. After the AI has made the changes, you can review and edit them. The AI provides several options for you to choose from, and you can cycle through these options until you find one that you like. If you're not happy with the results, you can hit the Generate button again to get new options. And there you have it, a high-quality AI-edited photo ready to be sold on Fiverr. Remember, Meconomists, while Photoshop's AI is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. Always review and edit the changes made by the AI to ensure they meet your client's needs and expectations. Stay tuned as we move on to our next tool. You won't want to miss this. Finally, let's move on to content creation gigs. This is a huge market on Fiverr, and with a tool like Simplified, you can automate the process of creating blog posts and even social media content. Simplified uses AI to generate high-quality content, which you can then sell on Fiverr. This can be a great way to earn money if you enjoy writing and have a knack for creating engaging content. Let's head back to Fiverr and search for content creation. Look at these results, economists. There are countless people offering content creation services, and they're making a killing. Just imagine automating this process with Simplified. Now let's dive into how you can use Simplified to automate your content creation gigs. Simplified is a versatile tool that can help you with a variety of tasks, from writing blog posts to creating social media content. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on how you can use it to create blogs. With Simplified, you can start with a blog introduction, type in your topic, and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a high-quality blog post ready to go. And the best part? Simplified offers a free trial so you can try it out and see if it's the right tool for you. We have an affiliate link in the description below, so if you decide to sign up, you'll be supporting us as well. Remember, economists, while Simplified is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. Always review and edit the content generated by the AI to ensure it meets your client's needs and expectations. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, the key to making money on Fiverr using AI is to find the right gigs, use the right tools, and provide high-quality service. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to generate an online income using AI.